Okay, so we're gonna open up some loose booster packs today. We got the Steam Siege from X and Y, Sun and Moon Ultra Prism, and Breakpoint. Ooh. Okay, and so we have 3 of each. So let's get started. I'll open one first. I'll open Breakpoint. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what we have today. 1, 2. Oh, this is X and Y, so it's 3. Maybe, I don't know. If I do this wrong, I apologize in advance. Max Elixir, Delinquent. Goodbye. Ooh, goodbye. So cool. Psyduck. Oh, Psyduck's looking up. Okay. I haven't opened up a lot of these. Oh, Shinx is so cute. I always loved Shinx from the Gen 4 games. Oh, Professor Sycamore. And the one after this is, oh, a Meowstic. So Professor Sycamore was our reverse holo. That's pretty cool. Okay, your turn. Which one do you want to open?
Ultra Prism.
Ultra Prism.
Ultra Prism.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay, what we got from, this is Sun and Moon, so I think 4. There you go.
Got ourselves some fighting energy. Oh, look at them and all there.
Trio.
Those are some nice dudes.
Their hair is immaculate.
Oh,
Cherrim.
Unmatched.
Oh,
look at that wing.
So cute.
Dewpiker.
Bronzor. Oh, that's so cute. All the Vulpixes. There's 3 of them. And this one just went, whoop.
A Caravine.
Carnivine.
Oh, Carnivine. Oh, because it's a carnivore, but he's a plant. Oh, did we just pull a Lucario?
I love Lucario. Wow.
Oh, don't mess with me.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay. So the one I'm going to open next is this X and Y. I almost called this Steamy Siege.
Steamy Siege.
Steamy Siege. What a weird name. Okay, let's see. It's got the Volcanon in the front. That's pretty cool. I had some hard time opening the packs. There you go.
Is Volcanon one of your favorite Pokemon?
Volcanon is not one of my favorite Pokemon, sadly. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we have here. We got, ooh.
What do you got against Volcanion?
Volcanon. I have nothing against Volcanon. It's just not one of my favorite Pokemon.
Huh.
Oh my gosh. Breakpoint. I think I did do this wrong. Oops. But Breakpoint. Yveltal. That's so cool. You know the X and Y? This is Y. This is the Y in the X and Y. This is actually so freaking cool. I think all the Breakpoint cards are so amazing. Look at how cool that is. And it's like, it's not like, instead of being like vertical, it's horizontal. So I think that is so cool.
Oh, wow.
Yveltal break. Ooh. Okay, next. But that one's super cool, and I'm so happy we got that. Oh, fancy. Okay.
We got some more Ultra Prism.
You don't want to open it.
I'll open an Ultra Prism.
Okay.
You know this one's got good luck, and you were just trying to stop me. I see your ways. See right through it.
Oh, yeah.
You were eyeballing this guy the whole time.
Energy.
Oh,
The bunny.
ooh.
Minifee. Cynthia. Oh, Bronzor. Yanma. Oh, Shinx is so cute. There's so many cute Shinxes in here. And Alolan Diglett. Oh, Vulpix again. Vulpix. Oh, Shinx. And... Ooh, ooh.
Yeah. That's the one right there.
My turn. I'm gonna open a. You know what? Let's get rid of all the Ultra Prisms. Okay, what we have here today. You think after all this time, I'd be good at opening Pokemon packs, but I am not. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Awesome. We got Psychic Energy. Oh, the missing Clover. Okay. Brimplum, Gardenia. Oh, Glamia, so cute. Snover. Oh, the Hippo, Shinx. Dewpider. Oh, Shaman. Oh, Shaman's like a little hedgehog. And Electivire. Oh, Shaman's so cute. Electivire's so cool. Actually, they're both kind of cute. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Yay. Okay, your turn. What you got? What you got?
We gotta get some breakpoint.
Breakpoint.
Breakpoint. Oh man. Ooh. Let's see what we get in here. Ooh. Got a heap more.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Sudowoodo. Walking down the street.
Sudowoodo.
Oh, Chikorita looking at its reflection in his aunt. Oh, another cute Shinx. Wow.
Oh, look, sassy. Oh man. Oh, Kricketot.
Kricketot looks angsty.
Oh, Blitzel looks like it broke its neck on the landing.
Oh no, that's so sad.
Oh no,
that's really sad.
He's only got 60 HP left.
That's so sad.
And hey,
Shiftry.
that's a nice looking
Shiftry
Shiftry card.
scary.
This is a scary man right there. Don't want to mess with him.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Give us some
Another
luck, Lane. Give us that good luck.
Are you sassy now? Are you being the Numel or Numel?
Being the Numel. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, we got the 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4? If it's not, RIP. Oh, Volcanon. This might have been the cool card. Oops.
That's the best one.
Volcanon, Special Charge, Monferno, Nidorino, ooh, Nidoran, oh, Chimchar, oh, Chimchar stole something, Nose Pass, Litwick, Flaffy, and, oh, that was the cool one. I should have done 3. I don't know why I didn't do 3. And then Flaffy
awesome
and
surprise.
Volcanon. I did. I'm sorry. So these ones you do 3. And these ones I think you do 3 too. I just don't know why I did that. Okay, awesome. Your turn. Which one do you want open?
Oh man, which one do you want?
I don't care.
I'll take a breakpoint.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Is it 3?
Oh, it's 3. Oh, my bad.
I think.
Per ugly. Oh, she's quite the position there. Oh my lord. Yeah, trans. Furfro. Raggy. Let's see.
Esper.
Oh man, he's ready to pounce. Oh,
This girl looks thick.
Man, he is. Oh man, it's this fur. It makes him poopy.
Yeah, that's what I say too. It's my fur. That's
look
why I
at
look
that.
really big. What's that? I see a glimpse of
Oh,
something.
what's that?
What could it be?
Oops.
What could it be?
Oh, Espeon! Look at that
that's so
beautiful
cool.
Espeon.
Wait, that
EX.
is so cool.
That's
I'm so
a really
happy.
pretty card.
That is such a pretty card.
Look at
Wow.
that. Oh, she's got the little gem on her forehead like Ambrose too. She's
Ooh.
cool.
Espeon's really pretty. Okay. Next is Gardevoir. This, ooh, and Steam Siege. Let's see. Last pack. What do we have here? Oops. Oh, I see a peak of a Tangela. Okay. We got the 1, 2, 3. 3 or 4? 3. Oh!
Oh wow!
Zoomeril! I think I did this wrong again. What's wrong with me? Azumarill. Okay, that one's really cool.
You did 4, didn't you?
I did 3.
Oh, that's why.
I thought the Steam Shade, since it's an X and Y, I should
do.
do. I'm sorry. And oh.
I did really wrong.
Oh no. Okay. Well, a number. Okay, cool. First things first. Azumarill is really cool. And then, and it's a shiny Azumarill. That's really cool. Okay, Apom. Oh!
What? You got to, what?
Vulcan!
What?
We wanted this half one.
What?
That is so cool. The Volcanon. This is awesome. This is really cool. I am so happy about this. We like the split cards a lot. That's why I think one of the earlier packs we got a holographic of the or it was either reverse holo or holo of this Azumarill. It was so cool, and we were like, okay, now we want more of these half and halves. And look at this. That's so cool. We're really happy about this.
Wow.
Wow. Yay. Wow.
It's so cool that they both came in the same pack.
I know. It's like they knew. They knew we wanted it. Okay, let's clear this up and let's get our pulls for today. Okay, so these are our pulls from today from the 9 different packs, from the Steam Siege, the Breakpoint, and what was the other one? The Prism one? Yeah, Ultra Prism. And so this is what we got. Not too bad, not too shabby. I am really happy with these 3, and of course the Lucario. But I'm really happy with this break Yveltal is so cool. Look how cool that is. And then we got the Volcanon, which is also very, very cool. And then the Espeon EX. Oh, Espeon's so cute. Okay, awesome. Yeah, these are really, really cool. I'm really happy about these. We've never really opened too many of those 3 types of packs. So I think they were really fun to open, especially seeing seeing all these new Pokemon as well. The art that we haven't seen before. And I think that's really awesome. Okay, so Josh, what do you think? Was this worth it? Yay or nay?
Yeah, because we got the split cards and the break cards.
Yeah, we're pretty easy to please, so awesome. We got it. Okay, thank you. Bye.